What is the recommended frequency for changing engine oil in most cars? Every 3,000 miles, every 5,000 miles, every 7,500 miles, or every 10,000 miles? Every 5,000 miles is the correct answer. What does the check engine light typically indicate? Low tire pressure, low oil level, malfunction in the engine or emission system, or faulty brake pads? The correct answer is a malfunction in the engine or emission system. What is the purpose of the air filter in a car? To filter debris and contaminants from entering the engine, to cool the engine, to purify the air inside the cabin, or to enhance fuel efficiency? To filter debris and contaminants from entering the engine is the correct answer. How often should the air filter be replaced? Every 5,000 miles, every 10,000 miles, every 20,000 miles, or every 30,000 miles? The correct answer is every 30,000 miles. Which fluid is essential for lubricating and cooling the engine? Power steering fluid, engine coolant antifreeze, brake fluid, or transmission fluid? The correct answer is engine coolant antifreeze. What could be a consequence of driving with low levels of engine coolant? Reduced fuel efficiency, loss of power steering, overheating and potential engine damage, or increased emissions? Overheating and potential engine damage is the correct answer. What is the purpose of rotating tires regularly? To ensure even tire wear, to improve fuel efficiency, to increase tire wear, or to enhance braking performance? The correct answer is to ensure even tire wear. Which component of the car should be checked and replaced regularly to maintain efficient braking? Spark plugs, air filter, fuel filter, or brake pads? Brake pads is the correct answer.